Hello, fellow garden lovers. I'm thrilled to have you join us on our gardening journey today. As we eagerly await the arrival of spring, there's no better time to immerse ourselves in the magic of vegetable gardening. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, planning your vegetable garden is key to a bountiful harvest. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Vegetable garden planning, tips for a successful harvest. The first step in planning your vegetable garden is choosing the right spot. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily, so pick a spot in your yard that gets plenty of sunshine. Make sure it's also close to a water source for easy irrigation. Next, measure the area where you'll be planting your vegetables. This will help you determine how many plants you can fit and how to space them properly for optimal growth. Now, let's talk soil. Soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. Take a sample of your soil and test its pH level. Most vegetables prefer a slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. If needed, amend your soil with compost or organic matter to improve its quality. Crop rotation is another essential aspect of vegetable garden planning. It helps prevent soil depletion and reduces the risk of pests and diseases. Rotate your crops each year, planting them in different locations to maintain soil health. Companion planting is a clever technique where you plant certain vegetables together to benefit each other. For example, planting marigolds near tomatoes can deter pests, while beans can enrich the soil with nitrogen, benefiting neighboring plants. Pests, every gardener's nemesis. But fear not, there are eco-friendly ways to manage pests in your vegetable garden. Use companion plants, natural predators like ladybugs, and organic sprays like neem oil to keep pests at bay without harming beneficial insects. Before you start planting, make sure you have the right tools for the job. A trowel, gardening gloves, watering can or hose, and a sturdy rake are essential for a smooth gardening experience. When it comes to planting, follow the instructions on your seed packets for depth and spacing. Water your seedlings gently after planting to help them settle in their new home. As your garden grows, keep an eye on watering needs. Most vegetables prefer consistent moisture, so water deeply, but less frequently to encourage strong root development. Regular maintenance is key to a thriving vegetable garden. Keep weeds in check, monitor for pests and diseases, and provide support for taller plants like tomatoes and beans as they grow. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for: harvesting. Harvest your vegetables when they're ripe for the best flavor and nutritional value. Don't forget to share your garden's bounty with friends and family. Well, folks, that's a wrap on our vegetable garden planning guide. Remember, with a little planning and TLC, you can enjoy a fruitful harvest all season long. Thanks for tuning in and happy gardening.